for us. Somebody told me it's going to cool off before long. Not soon, but before long. If you're like a cooler and some rain, something to look ahead to.
Who told you?
So the deep source.
Deep source.
CIA.
Ah, you never reveal your sources in this business. Now let's go ahead and take a look outside. So it's muggy and warm outside, so definitely not the most comfortable fall day we've had, but as Neil mentioned, we do have some relief on the way. We could really use the rain though. Of course, top the Plaza Tower looking in the direction of Lindale from downtown, brought to you by Tyler Neurosurgical and Associates. We're finally starting to have some of that sunshine. And if we move just to the east in Longview, well, we've got more sunshine there as well. There's beautiful downtown Longview, setting up to be a pretty good sunset here. And eventually, by the way, here in just a few days, we will start seeing those sunsets happen about an hour earlier with daylight saving time, not this weekend, but the following weekend. Let's get you into your temperatures. 85 in Longview, southeast wind at 13 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 80s across the board. It is cooler to the north, though. Sulphur Springs, Mount Pleasant, both in the lower 80s, while Lufkin is at 86. We are 2 degrees shy of that in Crockett. Hempville in beautiful Sabine County, Texas, is at 87 degrees. But here's what you're feeling. Dew points are in the 60s, so it is quite humid across the board. But in north central Texas, that's where the action is happening in the form of some rain. Nothing severe about these showers and thunderstorms. They continue to progress off to the northeast, but all we can do is watch from the east and watch the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex get quite a bit of rain. And it is a little frustrating that we're not going to see much of this rain until we get into Thursday. But plenty of moisture pumping in from the Gulf and the Pacific. What's left of Hurricane Norma continues to shift off to the north and to the northeast. And there you go, folks. 10 o'clock tonight, rain still in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Tomorrow morning, we'll call it 6, 7 o'clock, mostly cloudy skies out to our west. Most of tomorrow will remain dry, but one thing I will be watching closely tomorrow afternoon is this complex of storms. Now, the models do differ here a little bit. This one shows the showers and thunderstorms moving into the area late tomorrow night and early Thursday morning. There it is right there. That's between 5 and 6 o'clock, but notice how these showers and thunderstorms begin to collapse as they move further to the southeast. It's hardly anything by Thursday afternoon. This is 9 o'clock in the morning Thursday, but by Thursday afternoon, we do begin to dry out. Okay, Neil mentioned a cool down. His source was correct. I do expect much colder temperatures next week. I think that colder air is going to arrive around Halloween along a front that will also produce some rainfall. So what I just shared with you was the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook thanks to the Climate Prediction Center. This is the precipitation outlook October 30th to November 3rd. Looks like we'll have some pretty unsettled weather, which does mean some rain chances for us early next week as well. 69 tonight, increasing clouds. Highs will be in the 80s tomorrow. And as we look at the next 7 days, well, pretty active, decent rain chances, especially early in the day Thursday. Could see a couple more scattered storms Friday. Decent rain chances early next week as those highs begin to take a little bit of a tumble. 50s and 60s. Halloween, 59 degrees. Deep East Texas, similar deal. Decent rain chances Thursday, along with colder temperatures next week. Neil.
What a great source.